I'm Alex Kaptelov, and I will tell you and show you some improvements made for model debugging in this sprint. So let me start with very simple model and very annoying problem that we discovered with the help of one of our customers. Here I have a top capsule with two parts, each of them typed by the base class. But in the runtime, when the top capsule is instantiated and initialized, it incarnates these two parts with different derived capsule types. And there was an error, there was a bug in our code that resulted that in the runtime, when you try to see the variables of these two capsule parts, it was the variables view was empty for one of them. But now let me start the debugging. The problem was in the algorithm that performed the search for actual capsule part type. Now we'll resume the execution of it, and we switch to variables view and select one of these parts. You can see that variables are successfully displayed, and for other part that is typed by a different derived class, it's also variables view contains the proper values. So this is one of the fixes that we did for the model debug. For other fixes, it is quite problematic to show them, to demonstrate them on reasonable demo model. But I can tell that we fixed performance for displaying the capsule structure in the debug view, because for some models, for some kind of models, I think with or a developed structure of runtime structure, it was there was a performance problems displaying the debug view and problems expanding them, like parts were displayed and one by one within a second interval of about a second. And also we fixed a synchronization problem in the runtime system related to variables view. Again, sometimes for some kind of models, the target application received a segmentation violation error when trying to see when populating variables. So this has been fixed in this release. Again, unfortunately, I cannot show that because there is no reliable way to reproduce it on the customer model, and we couldn't even produce our own homegrown model to show that. But this should be fixed now. So I think that's it.